Think of a wound healing or a plant growing. Behind the scenes, there's something truly fascinating happening: cell division. Let's dive into how this amazing process works. Cells divide to help organisms grow, heal, and reproduce. There are two main types of cell division: mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis creates two identical cells from one. This happens when your body needs to grow or repair tissue. Before mitosis starts, the cell is an interphase. Here it grows and duplicates its DNA, preparing for division. Next is prophase. Chromosomes condense and the nuclear membrane disappears. The cell is almost ready to split. Now in metaphase, the chromosomes align in the middle of the cell, ready for separation. In anaphase, the chromosomes are pulled apart to opposite ends of the cell. Finally, in telophase, the nuclear membranes reform, and in cytokinesis, the cell splits into two identical cells. Unlike mitosis, meiosis creates four genetically different cells essential for reproduction. In the first division of meiosis, homologous chromosomes are separated, resulting in two cells with half the original number of chromosomes. In the second division, the sister chromatids separate, forming four unique cells, each with half the chromosomes of the parent cell. Mitosis keeps our bodies growing and healing. Meiosis ensures genetic diversity, allowing for evolution and adaptation. So, whether you're growing, healing, or just admiring the diversity of life, remember, it all starts with cell division. Subscribe to learn more about the amazing world of biology.